We have a cracked dashboard we're repairing here. Let's see, there's cracks all over the place. First thing to do is clean it off, which I've already done. Then sanding it using a reciprocating sander to get in all the little corners. Once it's sanded, then we're going to clean the whole thing up with acetone, and then we will fiberglass it for reinforcement, and when it's good and strong, then we'll put epoxy with fairing compound in it on top, and then sand all that flat, paint it, and she's going to be a lot stronger than she ever was, and just going to look better than ever.